My name is Josh Mathys. I'm the Business Development Director for MDS. We're an asset-based logistics provider headquartered in Morristown, Tennessee. We have 268 trucks, 510 trailers, and we service all 48 states and Canada. Our job is to make sure that there's plenty of freight for our trucks to haul.
My name is David Hyde. I work for MDS Trucking, Morristown Drivers Service, and I've been with them for about 14 years as the Director of Maintenance. MDS runs different types of equipment. As the Director of Maintenance, it's my responsibility to look at the PM schedules that are recommended by the OEMs and put together the programs to accommodate that. As the role of the Maintenance Director is to control costs for maintenance and repairs, which is a huge expense for our trucking company. So it's my job to try to keep that under control. Proper lubrication of the trucks is paramount. It keeps our trucks on the road, and if the trucks aren't on the road, and as a trucking company, we're not making any money. We've been using CITGARD products and Mystik Lube since October of 2018. In that time, we've experienced 0 failures that was attributed to lubrication. Very pleased with the product and the value of the product. We feel comfortable with moving our oil drain intervals out to 75,000 miles on the next group of trucks that's coming in later this year. We did check with Cummins about the extended oil drain intervals and the CITGARD compatibility, and Cummins has approved that oil.
The terminal in Crossville services a large dedicated account. We've made significant investments in our equipment over the years, and it's nice to have a quality oil partner in CITGO that ensures our trucks stay on the highway, to ensure our customers' needs are met with on-time deliveries.
Anything that's offered by CITGO, that we use that product in our trucks.
CITGARD and Mystik,
they work better together.